Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Machuca for those that don't know me. Today I decided to do this eye look. Super easy to do, especially for hooded eyes. As you know, I do have hooded eyes and I have that crease on my lid. Well, this makeup look is super easy to do, and if you'd like to know how to do it, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, friends. Let's get started. I'm going to take this concealer, LA Pro Concealer, color Pure Beige. I'm going to use it on my lids as an eyeshadow base. It's a very thick and matte concealer, so it works very well to give those eyeshadow color really vibrant. So you will like this. And taking the Morphe M421, I'm going to use it under my eyebrow to shape it up as best as I can. Remember, it does not have to be perfect, and I'm not trying to be perfect, so just try to shape up your eyebrow. You're going to do it in the bottom. Just make sure that this concealer is blended in really good and you don't want no harsh lines. So what I'm doing is just taking that brush back and forth, trying to make sure that there's no creases, and taking that same concealer, I'm using that brush that the concealer comes in to shape up the top of my eyebrow, and going back with that same brush, I'm just trying to blend in that color. Just trying to shape up my eyebrow as best as I can. Oh yes, look at my eyebrow. Taking the MAC Pseudo Fix powder in the color NC40. For foundation shade, for reference, I am an NC42, but I am going lighter. I'm taking this brush, the E48, taking the brush, putting a little bit of powder and setting that concealer, making sure it has no creases. So when I do put the eyeshadow, this works for me, and I love the color play off it gives the shadows. Using the Nubian by Juvia's palette, taking this color and taking the brush Morphe M433. I'm just going to use it as a transition color and just blending back and forth. And from the same palette, I'm using this darker shade in brown and taking the Morphe brush M332. I'm just going to use it in the outer corner and intensify that darker color, just adding a little bit more. And you can add as much as you want, but I am going to leave it in the softer smoky brown as you see here. So I'm just blending in back and forth. Taking the Morphe brush M209, it is like a flat shader brush. From the same palette, I'm going to take this rosy, golden, silver eyeshadow and put it here on my lid. I'm not trying to make it in a certain way, just blend it in from side to side. And taking this chunky glitter from Mermaid Scales USA, color Coral Reef, taking the Duo, the brush on glue, Morphe brush M421, it's like a shader synthetic brush. I'm going to put that glue on my lid, very light, and trying to place it where I do want that chunky glitter to go. Taking that brush, I did spray some Fix Plus from MAC, and then I dipped that brush in the glitter And just trying to pat that chunky glitter all over that shimmer eyeshadow. And I try not to put the glitter where I'm going to put the black liner. And taking this liner from shopmissa.com, just trying to do a wing. And this black liner is waterproof and it works really good for me. Y'all should try it out. Again, it's from shopmissa.com. Taking one of my favorite lashes, I did buy these lashes from aliexpress.com. I don't remember the exact name, but I will link it down below. Taking that same glue I used for that chunky glitter, I find it easier putting the lash glue on my eyelid instead of putting it on the lash. And it works really good. I'm looking down, like in the mirror, trying to place it right there at the borderline. And I probably wait around 20 to 30 seconds before I put the lash. And I first put it on in the middle, and then I start in the outer corner, and then I do it more in the inner corner. And the glue is very tacky, and I love waiting those 20, 30 seconds. As you see here, I already did my foundation, bronzer, highlight, concealer off camera. Taking the Morphe brush M149, I'm going to use this brown color to go ahead and smoke out that bottom lash line. Taking a black matte liner, I'm going to use it on my waterline to give it more of a smoky effect. Taking one of my favorite mascaras, the Maybelline the Colossal. I love this mascara because I love thick lashes, bottom lashes. So yes, definitely a good mascara from Maybelline. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed doing this eye makeup tutorial for you all. Please let me know what you want me to do for you all on my next video. I really enjoy doing these eye makeup tutorials because they're fast, easy to do. But please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.